The police officer knelt on his neck and his back. For how long? For 9 minutes, 29 seconds. He begged. He gasped for air. He said, "Officer, I can't breathe. Officer, I can't breathe." Did you all hear that? He said, "I can breathe," for 16 times. His mom could not save him.
George Floyd's murder led to worldwide protest against police brutality and police racism. Justice was served by convicting the police officers.
মজার কথা কি জানেন যে একটিমাত্র উইটনেস ছিল যার কথার ভিত্তিতে ধনঞ্জয়ের ফাঁসি হয়েছিল। সে কোর্টে দাঁড়িয়ে নিজের পূর্ব সাক্ষ্য পুরো অস্বীকার করে।